B. Construction of houses. Hello buddies, the process of building a house is a very complex and difficult task. The first thing in building a house is selecting a lot and lot preparation. The land has to be cleared of trees and bushes and graded to ensure a level building area. The structure of the house depends according to the tastes and their needs. In this lesson, you will learn about the construction of different houses.
B. Construction of houses. We need a lot of material to build a house. Wooden planks are used to build houses on boats. We need bamboo sticks, palm leaves, or a kind of grass to build a hut. Some people use palm leaves instead of walls. Walls must be strong to build a tiled house, so we use bricks and cement or lime to build the walls. We arrange beams on the walls. The roof is built on beams. Tiles are arranged on the roof. We need less amount of money to build a hut or a tiled house, so these are called kacha houses. But these houses are easily damaged by cyclones or fire accidents. Buildings cannot be damaged by cyclones or fire accidents, so they are called Pakka houses. We use concrete, bricks, slab stones, and timber to build a building. We need the help of many people like laborers, masons, carpenters, and engineers to build a house. A model house. A house with all facilities is called a model house. We should have a separate room to cook food called kitchen. We should have a bedroom to sleep. A bathroom and a toilet are also essential to a house. We should build our house at a reasonably high level. Doors and windows should be arranged to get fresh air and light. A compound wall should be built around our house so that animals cannot enter our compound. It is better to have a well in our compound. Then we can grow plants in our garden. We should apply whitewash or colors to walls for good looking. It is good for our health also.
Do these.
1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
2. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding.
Three. Choose the correct word and fill in the blank.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again.
Four. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase.
Conceptual understanding.
Five. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.